ChatGPT has proven to be a versatile tool. In case you haven't kept up, they've introduced approximately 735 plugins for us to utilize. Among them, my favorite so far is Great Job, Team. However, it's worth noting that these plugins are exclusively available to Plus users. So, if you're considering a purchase, you probably want to know what they can do, right? Welcome to I for Business, where in this video, we've dedicated ample time to present the 10 absolute best ChatGPT plugins. But before we delve into those, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're not ready to commit to that yet, feel free to show your support by leaving a like, comment, and sharing this video. It really helps. Now let's kick things off with number 10, Wolfram. Wolfram is the plugin you've been waiting for with ChatGPT to gain access to real-time data. Not only does it provide access to real-time data, but it also assists in solving math problems. Whether you're a student grappling with calculus or an expert dealing with numbers, this plugin will undoubtedly be beneficial. You can easily find Wolfram in your app's plugins section. Simply hit install, adjust your preferences, and perhaps link your Wolfram account, and you're all set. Once installed, you can prompt GPT with queries like solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, and Wolfram will promptly solve it for you. With broad access to create graphs and utilize the Wolfram language, you can rest assured that the answers you receive aren't limited to data from 2021. Next up is ShowMe Diagrams, ranking at number 9. This visualization plugin transforms complex concepts into simple visuals, serving as your personal artist. It takes your textual inputs and generates diagrams, flowcharts, and even mind maps. Simply install it. Specify your requirements, such as draw a software development process flowchart, and your diagram will be ready in a flash. Plus, you can always modify your command to adjust the diagram to your liking. At number 8, we have Vox. Vox Script is a powerful plugin that enhances the ChatGPT experience by combining it with ShowMe Diagrams. It pulls real-time information from various sources across the web, providing specific website content and up-to-date results. Whether you're conducting research or writing, Vox Script proves to be invaluable. It extracts content from platforms like Pastebin and GitHub Gists, retrieves YouTube video data, and performs searches effortlessly. Even if you require the latest website information, Vox Script delivers seamlessly. Ranked at number 7 is the Zapier plugin, a mega plugin that integrates with ChatGPT, facilitating communication between your apps. In essence, it connects vital elements such as emails, social media, and cloud storage to your chat. Through automated workflows known as Zaps, you can streamline tasks like saving ChatGPT conversations to Google Sheets. What's more, you can manage these Zaps directly within ChatGPT. Next up at number 6 is Ask Your PDF. This plugin elevates PDF interaction to the next level by transforming mundane documents into dynamic ones. Simply upload your PDF, and Ask Your PDF takes care of the rest. It enables you to ask for summaries, explanations of legal terms, or any specific information within the PDF, making it ideal for quickly locating data in large files. Moving on to number 5, we have Video Insights, an indispensable tool for extracting information from YouTube videos effortlessly. This plugin thoroughly analyzes your videos, providing transcripts, key points, and concise summaries. Whether you're a student conducting research or a professional analyzing videos, Video Insights saves you valuable time. At number 4 is the ChatGPT Code Interpreter. This plugin is a boon for coding enthusiasts, allowing you to run Python code directly within your chats. Beyond Python, it handles various other tasks, making it an excellent tool for data analysis. From transforming data into graphs and charts, from CSV files to analyzing images, the ChatGPT Code Interpreter streamlines tasks and simplifies coding, data analysis, and image manipulation. These plugins offer unparalleled functionality, enhancing the ChatGPT experience and opening up new possibilities for users. At number 3, we have ADEX, a plugin designed to address the challenges of accessing education in a cost-effective manner. As we all know, education can be costly, and the demands of professors can sometimes add to the expense. ADEX aims to simplify the process of finding affordable learning learning resources, such as books and courses for those who prefer self-directed learning. By simply requesting the desired course, ADEX will present a variety of options complete with links and explanations. Whether you're looking for free or paid courses, ADEX streamlines the search process, allowing you to learn at your own pace from prestigious universities without breaking the bank. Taking the number 2 spot is WebPilot, an essential add-on that enhances the online browsing experience. With WebPilot, you can obtain insightful answers and summaries of web pages, making it invaluable for content creators, SEO enthusiasts, and researchers alike. This versatile plugin extends its functionality beyond websites to PDF files, offering a time-saving solution for students and researchers seeking to expedite the reading and learning process. And finally, at number 1, we have There's an AI for That, a unique plugin that simplifies the search for AI tools tailored to your specific needs. Instead of scouring the internet for relevant tools, simply provide your requirements to There's an AI for That, and it will present you with a curated list of options complete with brief explanations and links. This visual aid assists in decision-making, ensuring you select the most suitable tools for your tasks. Don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. That's it for today's video. Feel free to share in the comments which tool intrigued you the most and why. Have you ever had the opportunity to try any of these tools? Share your experience. We're eager to hear from you. Subscribe to not miss any of our future videos. Give a thumbs up if you found this content useful and share it with your friends and community. Together, we can reach new heights and build a future where success is within everyone's reach. Thank you for your support and see you soon on our channel.